Electronic drum kits have revolutionized the drumming industry with their realistic sound and feel. In this video, we'll explore the top electronic drum kits available on the market, perfect for drummers of all levels. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Alesis Nitro Mesh Electronic Drum Kit. The Alesis Drums Nitro Mesh Kit is easily one of the best electric drum kits for beginners. We could have featured a much more expensive, professional standard kit as our best choice, but we figured that most of our readers will be looking for something entry-level. If that sounds like you, we highly recommend this kit. There are loads of great things about it, but one of the main things is the size of the kit. A lot of beginner practice kits only have a couple of cymbals, a snare, and a bass drum, but this one has everything. It's a slight upgrade from their last model, the only difference being the mesh heads. This might not seem like much, but it makes the drums feel much more natural. We also like the fact that it's portable and easy to store, which is one of the main features of an electric drum kit. It comes with an Alesis Nitro module, which controls the kit. You get 40 different kits, 60 play-along tracks, a sequencer, a metronome, and you can even play along to your own MP3s. It makes a superb gift for music lovers. Pros. Very affordable for a full kit. Mesh heads feel like real drums. Lots of built-in sounds and play-along tracks. Cons. Some people don't like the bass drum pedal. Number 2. Yamaha DTX 402K Electronic Drum Set. Our last drum kit is the Yamaha DTX 402K Electronic Drum Set. Yamaha is a big name in many industries, and they've always been praised for their high-quality music gear. This kit is one of the most modern and advanced kits on this list, especially in terms of connectivity. As well as the normal inputs, AUX, MIDI, USB, etc., it comes with a corresponding app to help you practice and learn. Essentially, it does a similar job to the high-end Roland and Alesis kits, but you can control it all from your smartphone. Key features. 9-piece kit. Training functions. DTX 402 Touch app. 415 sounds, 10 drum kits, 10 songs. Control from your smartphone. Number 3. Donna DED 300 Electric Drum Set. The Donna DED 300 electronic drum set has a 10-inch hi-hat and a 12-inch crash or rides that can be precisely sensed each time you strike. Both ride and crash support the cymbal surface and dual triggering off the edge. The Rubbermaid soft surface can effectively remove physical noise, giving you a better experience. The dual pedaling on the bass drum restores the kicking feel to deliver the best sound. This beginner electronic drum set allows you to create your music. It is suitable for band training, commercial performance, teaching training, and practice at home. The USB to MIDI interface is one of the most useful features. Therefore, you can create a link with the DAW software and use it as a unique tool for music creation. There are multiple inbuilt functions such as recording performance, metronome, and song accompaniment. You can connect your sound card and record your music creation as well. This module has a great adjustable option that gives consistent tension to the drum pad. Additionally, the beginners sometimes feel that sounds are quickly playing a role on the pads. Number 4. Alesis Surge Mesh Electronic Drum Kit. The Alesis Surge Mesh Kit is the step up from the last kit we featured. It's more expensive, but you get a few features that could benefit you if your drumming is moving on to the next level. It's a similar 8-drum configuration to the Alesis Nitro Mesh Kit, but everything is a step up. One of the first things you'll notice is the shiny metal frame, which both looks better and is sturdier than the plastic one. It also has similar mesh heads, but everything has been upgraded to give a more authentic feel. Probably the biggest upgrade is the 8-inch mesh kick drum tower. This is the main problem that people have with the cheaper model, so it might be worth spending the extra money if you want it to feel like an acoustic kick drum. The Surge drum module is more advanced as well. It still has 40 different kits and 60 play-along tracks, but there's also 385 different sounds to play with. On top of that, it has added connectivity features including MIDI inputs and outputs. Pros. Feels sturdier and more authentic than Alesis Nitro kit. Improved mesh heads and kick drum tower. Even more built-in sounds and play-along tracks. Cons. Reports of bad customer service. Number 5. Roland V Compact Series Electronic Drum Kit. The Roland TD 17KVX SV Compact Series Electronic Drum Kit is definitely the best electric drum kit on this list. It's the closest thing you can get to an acoustic kit without getting the real deal. But that quality is going to cost you because it's also the most expensive kit on the list. The mesh-headed drums are pretty much the same as the Roland TD11 kit, but the kick drum and hi-hat drum are a huge improvement. The hi-hat, in particular, is set up like an acoustic kit, which means you get the same sort of feel. The TD17 module is one of Roland's most advanced control systems ever. In addition to all of the normal sounds and built-in tracks, it has an impressive coaching function. In their words, you can track your technique, measure your progress, and increase your motivation. Pros. The closest thing you can get to an acoustic kit. You can expand it with more drums and cymbals. Coaching function is the best in class. Cons. Very expensive.